Hello and welcome to Invest with Sanjeev KMR BGP. In today's video, I'm going to discuss about the share price of Varun Beverage because we can see that there is a big fall in the price, but everything is okay. Varun Beverage company is fundamentally strong and we can buy the share at price of 628. Last day the price was 1569. So this is the party time. This is 60% less price, and so and in this party we must drink some cold drink like Pepsi and Tropicana and Mirinda. Mirinda is also the product. I think I have to check. So I'm sharing the website of Skinner and Varun Beverage and one extra sheet to all of you for the clarification actually what happened here. So this is the screen of trading view. You can see that there is big fall, approx 60% fall it is showing. So what is the reason? The reason is there is a split in this share, and split is 2:5. So what is the meaning of this split? So before understanding the meaning, we should see the notice. This is the notice, and this notice is available on the website bsc.in, bscindia.com. Here we can see that there is subdivision of existing equity share from rupees 5 each into equity share of rupees 2 each. What is the meaning? It means that earlier the face value of this share was rupees 5. But from today onwards, the face value is rupees 2. So this is a big change, and due to this change, we can see a big fall in the share price. But company is fundamentally strong. This is a large cap company, so nothing to worry about this. And in the con call of the PPT, on the PPT file of the con call, we can see that it is already mentioned here, and this was in the August of, I think, 1 minute. Yeah, con call in August 2024, this year. You can see here. Board considered and recommended subdivision split of the existing equity shares of the company from one equity share having face value of rupees 5 each, fully paid, into such number of equity share having face value of rupees 2 each, fully paid up. It means earlier the face value was 5. Now it is rupees 2. This is the product of Varun Beverage, Lay's, and Kurkure. We all eat usually. Pepsi, Mountain Dew, Sting, 7-Up, Mirinda, Slice, Tropicana, Cream Bell. Now just to go to the Excel sheet and understand what happened here. So let's see. 2:5. There is split of 2:5. What is the meaning? It means one. When you convert 2 into 1, it means 1 is the half of 2. Then half of 5 would be 2.5. Okay. So it means if you have 10 share, you are holding 10 share. It means now you will have 2.5 multiplied by 10. It means 25 share. It will show in your demat, I think, after 1 or 2 days. And if you are having 20 share, then you will have 2.5 multiplied by 20. It means 50. It means if you have only 20 share of Varun Beverage, but after split, you will have 50 share. But the value will be same. It means your price also will change accordingly. For example, if earlier price was 100, now it will become 100 divided by 2.5. It means 40 rupees. Yes. So earlier, the number of share of the company was, I think, 130 crore. Now it will become 2.5 multiply by 130 crore. It means 325 total outstanding share, number of share. Okay. Share price was earlier 1569. Now it will be 1569 and divided by 2.5. 628 rupees. That is why we can see in the trading view it is showing 649 it is showing, because there is some increase, some price grow. So after, I think, market open, just we can see in the daily chart. Yeah, in daily chart you can see that market opened at price. No. This it is not showing in a perfect way. This is the current price 649. Okay. So it adjusted. It should be 628, but after opening, it grew to 649. Now the main question is, we should buy this share at this time? No, we should not buy. Before recommending anything, I want to declare you that I'm not a SEBI registered advisor, and I'm creating this video for educational purpose only. So this is not my recommendation. If you want to buy, sell, or hold, you just do your analysis. So according to me, new entry, we should wait for the new entry, because there is some you 1 minute. Again, I have to share the TradingView website. You can see here that after June, it is in consolidation phase. So we we should buy after this candle, and so it should be adjusted within 2 or 3 days. After then we can think about it, but new entry, I don't think there is any new entry. Or if you are already having, you are holding this share, no need to add. And one more thing, no need to exit as well, because this is very good, fundamentally very strong company. So thank you so much to all of you.